Hi there, today we're going to take a look at the new features that are in WordPress version 4.5. It's a fairly short list and we'll rattle through it as quickly as we can. What I'm going to do to start with is just create a new post and we'll have a look at some changes that are in the post editor. So just give this a title and that's great. And then I want to produce some text with a link in. So here is a link to press ups, and what I want to do is I want to make press ups here a link. And what's new in WordPress 4.5 is that you can actually do this all in line now. So if I click insert edit link, this interface for entering the URL, which you can just paste or you can type in, that is all in line, and that's really lovely. So I just hit enter on that and we have a link. That's fantastic. So that's all good. And the other thing in here is that there are some new editor shortcuts. So in a previous version of WordPress, it allowed you to start doing things like putting a couple of hashes in and writing a title, and that would be converted into a title, or doing a star or a dash for a list item. And that's all really, really good. But they've now added some new editor shortcuts for doing horizontal lines, which is just 3 dashes. That puts a horizontal line in, and you can also add some code. So here is some, and then you use a backtick for this, which you'll have to find on your keyboard. It's like a little apostrophe but pointing the other way. This is some code here, and you'll see that that's converted into some HTML tags that represent code. So that's all really smart and clever, and that's all new inside the editor. For the next feature, we're going to head off to the customizer. So to do that, we go to appearance and customize. We'll leave this new post that we've created. We don't need to keep it. So the first thing about the customizer that you can do now is you can now do live responsive previews, which means you can see how your site is going to look in a mobile view. So these little buttons down here, so this is a desktop, this is intended to be a tablet view, and this is intended to be a mobile view. So you can see for each of these how your site will look with these various different things, and we can go in and make some changes. So let's say we want to change the title here. This all still happens in line and in real time, and there are various features that your theme can support that can become active within here. So what you're actually able to do inside the customizer will depend on how your theme works. So that's all great. So we can do these responsive previews, and they're all live and very fancy, and let you try out your site at different screen sizes. Just going back a step, the other thing that you can do here is you can have custom logos. So this is under site identity. So this new logo section here is brand new, and we can click it and we can choose to upload files or use things from the media library. I'm going to upload a file. Here's my logo, and we'll open that and upload it. And again, you'll need a file which is suitable for your theme, but let's just crop that. We'll keep it as square, and that now appears as the site logo. Now again, this is something that your theme has to support, but this is now all built into the customizer if your theme does support it. So look out for that. Hopefully these are useful new features for you, and we'll cover version 4.6 very soon.